So I got some idea from my book, which is meal menu for busy mom. I got some creamy pasta idea, so I decided to make it with my own ingredients. You can also get an idea and make it with your own ingredients. It does not matter. It has to be the way it is in the picture in the book. You can also decide to make it the way just exactly like you saw it in the book. So this is creamy pasta, which is with tomatoes. I didn't do it white. This is tomatoes creamy pasta, and my kids love it. This full bowl. I wanted to plan it for a week, but it's almost half because my husband love it and my kids love it a lot. So, as a busy mom like me, I do this many and I put it in a little bowl in the fridge just to help with their afternoon lunch runs. So go check yours out and don't tell me I didn't help you with this. As a busy mom like me, a mom of three kids, who always crack our brain to cook what the family will love, I decided to create this for all the busy mom out there in the world. This is a me menu, for busy mom. 7 days menu idea. Do you know what that will help you? Like when you are busy going to work, taking the kids to school, you might not have the idea. And I tend to say that I will be cooking one food, like one food for the kids, which is not nutritious. Well, this book covered a lot of nutritious meal, both breakfast, you can see the table of contents, breakfast, uh lunch, dinner, everything. It contains it will give you idea, and a picture, I place a picture and it will give you idea of what you are going to cook. So this is, you can see this in Amazon Kindle Unlimited. If you have Amazon Kindle Unlimited, you can watch it for free, guys. You can watch it for free. But if you don't have it, you're going to buy it. Is Theory Error. Did I place it too high? No. Like you having 7 days meal plan for Theory Error. Do you know what that will do for you? Theory Error, guys. Now, this is the introduction. I'm just going to show you a little tip of the sample, guys. Okay, this is the introduction, and this is me plan for you. For you, guys, for you. So, this is Monday, day one breakfast. You have a energized blend and lunch. So I'm going to check my book right now. Of course, I'm the one that wrote it and I'm going to use it. So for me, I'm going to use it so that my family will also get to benefit from this. So what are you waiting for? Go to Amazon, go to Amazon Kindle Unlimited. You're going to see this. Download it in your phone. When you don't have idea of what to cook, just watch this. Just check, and you will have a lot of great idea. Okay, so I'm going to cook this evening, and I'm going to check for what to cook for my kids that will be very nutritious for them, and I know that they will love it. They will love it. Look at dinner, look at this dinner, look at this enriched dinner. So tell me why this Amazon Kindle book, this great tips, is not okay for you as a busy mom. Tell me, this meal menu is designed to make your week easier each day as breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks idea. So, mom, all the moms and all the women had there, run to Amazon. Bye. I'm going to cook my delicious, nutritious meal from this book. Thank you.